Coming from a grade school going to a school that we had nobody. I came from a grade school that was only 8 guys in the 8th grade. So when we went to Benedictine, it was, wow, you know, what we got here. You know. So it was really different, but it was great. Everything I learned there helped me with the stuff I do today, and I even learned some extra stuff. Yeah, some stuff you should teach now that these kids don't know.
Well, I wish I was better.
Yeah, but I appreciated everything the school did and everything Mr. Francioli has done, and a few of the brothers that took care of us during the school time there. That's it, guys. You did great on your test, and then he'd whack you. I was working one Saturday afternoon in a police car on Mayfield Road, right at Golden Gate, and this car is blocking traffic. So I get out, I pull up, I get behind the car, and as I walk up to the car, I can look in there. Who is it? Father Morris. He doesn't see me. He doesn't know who I am. He doesn't know anything. I said, "Sir, you know you're blocking traffic. Could I have your license?" And he wants to turn to talk to me, and I keep backing up because I don't want him to see me, right? So he gives me his license, and he said, "Well, you know, my car's broke. It won't stay, you know, it won't stay running. You're going to give me a ticket?" I said, "You've got the whole intersection blocked. You deserve a ticket." I'm not going to write it, but anyway, we're talking back and forth. Finally, I get around to see him. I said, "Not only you deserve a ticket, Father, you deserve a slap." And he looks at me and he goes, "Fernaro, I can never forget you." I couldn't forget you either. Every time I do this, and I never seen the guy again. I never went across him after that. But right in the middle of Golden Gate and Mayfield. Stopped, broke down. It done my heart good just to see him. I should have worked the ticket.
George Purz, class of 1960. George Purz, class of 1960.
Where do you live?
I live in Avon, 41 years already.
Retired yet?
Retired 16 years ago.
And any grandchildren?
I have 2 grandchildren. Ben, who just started kindergarten, and Jillian, that's only going to be 3 years old.
Terrific.
2 treasures.
Terrific. I've got you already.
Yes, sir.
Fred Cabot, class of 1948. Live in South Euclid. Have 3 grandchildren.
Hey, thanks, Fred. Good basketball team that year. And this is
Roger Slowinski, class of 60.
and bandmaster.
And ex-bandmaster, ex-GM, retiree, wife, 2 sons, live in North Royalton.
Grandchildren?
No grandchildren.
Children.
2 children, 2 boys.
Okay, probably missed that. All right, thanks, Roger.
Thank you.
I am Bob Shirley, class of 60, married, have 3 children, 1 grandchild, live in Mentor, Ohio, and I'm semi-retired.
And where are you semi-retired from?
I was a CPA, had my own firm, and merged with a younger group, and I'm phasing out.
All right, thanks, Bob.
Okay.